Every day, many of us over 50 drink plenty of water. 6, 8 glasses, sometimes more. But here's a shocking truth. All that water might be doing almost nothing to stop your muscles from weakening, your balance from fading, and your risk of falls from climbing. Think about it. All that hydration, yet the silent enemy of sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, continues its relentless march. I know the feeling. One moment you're confidently striding through life. The next, simple tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries feel like a monumental effort. Maybe you've noticed your legs feeling heavier, your grip not as strong, or a slight tremor when you stand. My friend Martha, a vibrant 68-year-old, used to love her morning walks. But lately, she found herself clinging to the handrail, scared of a stumble. This isn't just about getting older. It's about losing the very strength that defines our independence. What if I told you that transforming just one glass of your daily water could be the most powerful step you take to rebuild lost muscle, restore your balance, and reclaim your vibrant life? It's not about magic pills or extreme workouts. It's about 8 simple, affordable additions that science now shows can turn ordinary water into a muscle-saving elixir. Please remember, I am a health professional, providing general information. This content is for educational purposes only and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health routine, especially if you have existing health conditions. Let's start our countdown at number 8. Fenugreek seeds, soaked overnight. You might overlook these tiny golden kernels, but for those over 50, soaking them transforms them into a powerful tonic against muscle decline. When soaked, fenugreek releases compounds like diosgenin and galactomannan. These act as messengers, helping improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in aging muscles. Think of it. Better nutrient delivery and steadier blood sugar directly protect your muscle fibers. A 2016 study in the Journal of Sports Science and Medicine even found fenugreek supplementation improves strength gains in older adults when combined with resistance training. It's also rich in iron and magnesium, minerals crucial for cellular energy that many seniors often lack. Remember Abdul, a 68-year-old teacher whose weak legs made walks exhausting. After trying soaked fenugreek water, he noticed stairs became easier, digestion improved, and his legs ached less. Fenugreek isn't a miracle, but a forgotten remedy modern science now supports. Soaking a spoonful overnight and drinking the infused water is a simple, affordable step toward restoring strength. It's hydration, fused with plant medicine. And just the beginning. Our next addition fights inflammation in your joints even further. Moving on to number 7, moringa powder. In many cultures, the moringa tree is called the miracle tree. And for us over 50, its powder is a lifeline for muscle preservation. It's packed with calcium, potassium, iron, and 9 essential amino acids, the raw materials your muscles constantly need. Research in the Journal of Food Science and Technology observed that older women adding moringa leaf powder saw improvements in bone density and energy within 12 weeks. Moringa uniquely fuels protein synthesis while delivering potent antioxidants. Imagine it supplying both the building blocks and the protective shield for your muscles. Mr. Daniel, 72, struggled with leg weakness, mixing a teaspoon of moringa into his morning water. He soon felt more energy climbing stairs and less soreness after walks. Moringa's iron improves oxygen delivery, and its magnesium calms cramps and enhances recovery. Unlike heavy protein shakes, moringa powder is light, plant-based, and easy to add to water or smoothies. It works quietly, nourishing and protecting muscle fibers from the silent decline that robs seniors of independence. Get ready for our next edition, which targets inflammation even more directly, attacking a major enemy of senior muscle strength. At number 6, chia seeds. These tiny, tasteless seeds are often underestimated, but they hold a hidden power for seniors over 50. Just 2 tablespoons, soaked in water, transform into a gel-like drink rich in complete plant-based protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and minerals. These nutrients directly protect against sarcopenia, the age-related muscle wasting that steals independence. Research published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology suggested seniors regularly consuming chia experienced improved lean muscle mass and reduced inflammation markers. Two key drivers of weakness after 60. Their nutrient profile is incredible. Alpha-linolenic acid enhances blood flow to muscles, and calcium ensures proper muscle contraction. Unlike heavy animal proteins, chia's amino acids absorb slowly, providing steady fuel that minimizes nighttime muscle breakdown. For those with sluggish digestion, the soluble fiber also improves gut health, helping you absorb more vital proteins and minerals. Margaret, 71, found her daily glass of chia water reduced leg cramping and boosted stamina on walks. Her doctor even noted lower blood pressure and improved muscle tone. Chia is a low-cost, easy-to-prepare muscle insurance policy, offering stronger steps and steadier balance. Our countdown continues. The next edition builds endurance deep within your cells. Number 5 brings us to turmeric and black pepper mix. We often think of turmeric as a curry spice, but combined with black pepper, it becomes a powerful anti-aging tonic, fighting muscle loss at its root. The golden compound in turmeric, curcumine, is a globally recognized anti-inflammatory. However, it's poorly absorbed alone. Black pepper is the game changer. Its active ingredient, piperine, boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, transforming a simple spice into a therapeutic weapon for seniors over 50. This is crucial. Chronic inflammation silently erodes muscle fibers, making simple tasks like standing from a chair exhausting. A 2017 study observed older adults consuming curcumin daily reported less joint pain and improved muscle endurance. Scientists believe curcumin reduces oxidative stress and supports mitochondria, the tiny energy engines in muscle cells. Gloria, 73, had given up gardening due to weak legs. After her daughter introduced a nightly warm turmeric and black pepper tea, her morning stiffness faded and stamina returned. This simple, inexpensive mix works like preventive medicine, supporting mobility and helping seniors rebuild muscle naturally. This duo proves the strongest solutions are often the simplest, already in your spice cabinet. Next, at number 4, aloe vera juice. While often known for skin remedies, in ancient traditions, aloe vera was a cherished healing drink. Science now confirms its hidden power for seniors over 50 battling muscle decline. Aloe vera juice is rich in antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E, plus unique plant compounds called polysaccharides. These help calm the chronic inflammation that can eat away at aging muscles. A 2019 study in phytotherapy research indicated aloe supplementation reduced oxidative stress markers in older adults, an effect linked to improved energy and mobility. Consider Harold, 72. For years, he woke with stiff legs and assumed it was just aging. His granddaughter suggested aloe vera juice before bed. Within weeks, Harold noticed his legs felt looser, morning weakness diminished, and he gained enough energy to start walking after dinner again. He simply called it getting my life back. Unlike sugary juices, aloe vera hydrates deeply without spiking blood sugar, a significant benefit for seniors managing diabetes. It also supports digestion, helping your gut absorb more protein, calcium, and magnesium from meals, nutrients vital for strong muscles and bones. Aloe vera juice may not be a celebrity supplement, but for seniors, it's a gentle, natural tonic that keeps muscles supple, joints moving, and energy flowing. Sometimes, the quietest remedies are the most profound. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. The health truth you need is right after this. Number 3, ginger extract. For seniors over 50, ginger extract is a medicinal powerhouse proven to fight the silent muscle loss of aging. Ginger's active compounds, gingerols and shogals, act as natural anti-inflammatories, reducing chronic low-grade inflammation that accelerates sarcopenia. A 2019 study observed seniors taking concentrated ginger extract improved muscle endurance and reduced joint pain, helping them stay active longer. Inflammation not only weakens muscle fibers but also drains energy, often leaving older adults fatigued. Consider Mrs. Evelyn, 70, who struggled climbing stairs. After adding ginger extract tea to her evenings, her stiffness eased, walking speed improved, and confidence returned. Unlike painkillers that just mask symptoms, ginger targets the root cause, improving circulation, calming inflamed tissues, and helping nutrients reach muscles needing repair. Easy to consume as drops or mixed into warm water. Ginger extract offers seniors a low-cost natural therapy. It enhances oxygen delivery, reduces oxidative stress, and supports digestive health, ensuring your body absorbs vital proteins and minerals. Ginger extract transforms ordinary seniors into active ones by attacking inflammation head-on, keeping muscles supple and energy levels high. Science confirms it's a frontline defense against aging. Next, at number 2, spirulina powder. This dark green dust may seem unassuming, but for seniors over 50, it's a potent natural weapon against muscle loss. Spirulina is over 60% complete plant protein, supplying all essential amino acids needed to repair and rebuild aging muscle fibers. It's also rich in iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, nutrients vital for oxygen delivery, energy, and recovery. A 2016 study in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise observed older adults supplementing with spirulina gained higher muscle strength and endurance within 8 weeks, showing its real impact against sarcopenia. Spirulina is unique. Unlike some protein powders, it's easily absorbed and gentle on the stomach. It contains phycocyanin, a rare antioxidant that lowers inflammation and oxidative stress in aging muscles. Imagine it giving your cells a deep clean. Many Japanese elders mix spirulina into water, keeping their strength into their 80s. George, 74, struggled with stair climbing weakness. After adding spirulina water daily, his legs felt lighter and recovery improved. His confidence and stamina returned. Spirulina powder fuels energy, restores vitality, and keeps muscles strong for independence. Just a teaspoon a day can be a plant-based lifeline for seniors. Topping our list at number 1 is beetroot powder. This often overlooked ingredient is a powerful weapon against age-related muscle loss. For seniors over 50, a key challenge is often poor blood flow, delivering insufficient oxygen to muscles. Beetroot powder directly targets this. Rich in dietary nitrates, it boosts nitric oxide production, relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. The result: stronger oxygen delivery, faster nutrient absorption, and muscles that repair rather than waste away. A 2015 study in the Journal of Gerontology found older adults drinking beetroot juice before exercise increased muscle power by nearly 16%, a significant improvement for those battling sarcopenia. Unlike synthetic supplements, beetroot powder is natural, affordable, and easy to mix into water. Consider Edward, 75, who'd given up daily walks due to leg fatigue. Within a month of adding beetroot powder to his evening water, he not only resumed walking, but saw his endurance double. His doctor called it vascular support in a glass. This food's strength restores confidence and independence. Beetroot powder also contains antioxidants, like betalains, which calm inflammation and protect mitochondria, the tiny energy factories in your cells that can shrink with age. This makes it a long-term shield against muscle decline. For seniors maintaining mobility, beetroot powder is a dramatic, research-backed solution. It's science, turning a glass of water into powerful muscle-saving medicine. So, you've seen it. 8 simple additions to water that could mean the difference between fading muscles and the strength to live on your own terms. After 50 thou. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50 thou. And check out this next video on reversing insulin resistance to go even deeper. If you've ever felt tired or struggled with bloating after 50 thou, this channel is for you.